To be able to follow this course, you need two things. The first is you need Python installed, and the second is you need an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it's basically a text editor, but with some more functionalities designed for programming. So an IDE is a text editor where you can write and run your Python code. In the videos, I'm going to use the Visual Studio Code IDE, but if you have Python installed already and if you have your own favorite IDE, feel free to use it. The Python code that I write will work the same no matter the IDE. We're going to use Python 3, so if you have Python 2, please install Python 3. I'm going to show how to install an IDE and Python in the next video. It doesn't matter if you are on Linux, Windows or Mac. Python is cross-platform, which means it works the same in every operating system. In the next videos, I'm going to show you how to install Python and the Visual Studio Code IDE on Mac, Linux and Windows.